All right, let's talk about some of the biggest, most common mistakes people make when it comes to retirement. Now, the point here isn't to scare you at all. It's actually to show you that these major pitfalls, they're totally avoidable. Let me ask you something and be honest. Are you worried about your money running out before you do? Look, it's a huge fear for so many people, and it often drives a lot of retirement decisions, sometimes the wrong ones. But here is the really good news. After looking at, countless retirement plans, we've realized that pretty much every major mistake falls into just three main buckets. And the best part? Once you know what they are, you can build a plan to completely sidestep them. So let's get into it. Okay, mistake number one. And this is the big one, the foundation of everything. It's failing to set up a reliable, predictable stream of income. It's kind of like building a house, right? If that foundation is shaky, everything you build on top of it is at risk. For years, the go-to advice was the 4% rule. But look at the problem on the left. It forces you to sell off your investments to create your income. And that means selling even when the market is down, which is, the absolute worst time to sell anything. Now, look at the better way on the right, creating a guaranteed income stream. This is like creating your own personal pension. It gives you that reliable paycheck, and crucially, it protects your savings from that scary market volatility. So how in the world do you create that personal pension? Well, one of the most powerful tools out there to do this is something called a guaranteed lifetime withdrawal benefit. It's a mouthful, so we just call it a GLWB for short. So what is a GLWB? Think of it as a feature, an add-on to an annuity, which is just a contract you have with an insurance company. And this feature makes a really powerful promise. It guarantees you a steady paycheck that you can never, ever outlive. Even if the market completely tanks and your account value goes all the way to zero, that paycheck keeps coming. It's all about income security, while the rest of your money can still have the potential for growth. And that whole unreliable income problem we just talked about, it makes you really vulnerable to our second big mistake: hidden costs. See, it's not just about the money you have saved. It's about all the unexpected things that can come along and quietly drain that account. And when it comes to those hidden costs, there are really three huge hurdles that can totally derail an otherwise good retirement plan. You've got the massive costs of healthcare and long-term care. You've got that silent killer of purchasing power, inflation, and of course, good old taxes. Now this right here is a huge one. So many people just assume, oh, Medicare will cover me if I need long-term care. But the reality is, it doesn't. Things like assisted living, memory care, that kind of day-to-day help is almost always paid for straight out of your own pocket. And believe me, it can be one of the single biggest expenses you'll ever face. Okay, so let's talk taxes for a second. Let's say you need a chunk of cash. Maybe you need a new car, or the roof starts leaking. You decide to pull a large amount from your 401k or your traditional IRA. What do you think happens then? Well, it's a real double whammy. First, that entire withdrawal is taxed as income, which can easily push you into a much higher tax bracket for that year. But then there's a second, kind of secret tax. That higher income can trigger something called IRMAA, which is basically a surcharge on your Medicare premiums. So you end up paying more in income tax and more for your health care. It's a nasty surprise. Now, these hidden costs can cause enough trouble on their own, but they become a full-blown crisis when you mix them with our third and final mistake: poor planning. This is all about not having a game plan for life's big events, especially the tough ones we'd rather not think about. And a tragically common example of poor planning is failing to protect the surviving spouse. When one spouse passes away, the one left behind is often dealing with not just overwhelming grief, but a sudden and really severe financial shock they were not prepared for. And here's a big reason why. When one spouse dies, one of those two Social Security checks just stops. Usually it's the smaller of the two that goes away, but that can mean a drop of up to 50% in the couple's total Social Security income, literally overnight. And if that wasn't bad enough, the surviving spouse's tax situation gets worse too. They now have to file their taxes as a single person, which often throws them into a higher tax bracket on what's left of their income. So just to recap, their income goes down and their tax bill goes up. It's a brutal combination. Okay, so we've laid out the big problems, right? Unreliable income, hidden costs, and poor planning. So what's the solution? Well, it really all boils down to one simple, powerful idea: retiring with confidence. This quote really gets to the heart of it. The number one regret for retirees isn't actually running out of money, It's running out of confidence. It's this constant fear of spending too much that actually causes them to spend too little. They end up hoarding their money, too afraid to enjoy the retirement they worked their whole lives to build. So how do we get that confidence back? It's a simple 3-step plan. Step 1, cover your essential bills, the mortgage, food, healthcare, with a source of guaranteed income. That's your Social Security plus maybe a GLW. Step 2, invest the rest of your money for growth. That's what you'll use for the fun stuff for travel and to beat inflation over the long haul. And step 3, this is the best part, spend with permission. Once your needs are covered, you have permission to enjoy the rest of your money without feeling guilty or scared. So we've walked through the common mistakes and the 3 steps to building a confident plan. But look, knowing's one thing. The most important step is turning all this knowledge into a real plan that's actually built for your life, your goals, and your peace of mind. And that's exactly what we're here to help with. At the Annuity Expert, our whole job is to help you build that personalized plan. And I want to be clear, our services are always completely free to you. We can walk you through the different options to make sure you avoid these mistakes and secure the retirement you've been dreaming of. Give us a call at 770-755-1565, or you can find us online at annuityexpertadvice.com. So I'll just leave you with this final thought. Now that you know the path forward, are you ready to stop worrying and start building a plan that lets you retire with real, genuine confidence? Thanks so much for watching.